This is a 24-piece set of French hair side combs I was sent to review. So let me show you a closer look. There are 6 sets in here. Each of those sets is individually wrapped. There are 24 pieces in total in here, so let's go ahead and unwrap them all and give some a test. All right, here you can see them all laid out. There are 6 different kinds of clips, and each clip comes in all 4 colors. You've got brown, light brown, clear, and black. So you've got 3 large. This one has kind of a rounded top, a flatter top. This one has like curly cues in there. Then you've got medium sizes. This one's got a really detailed kind of figure 8 on top. That one's very flat and simple. And then you've got a teeny tiny one. So cool, the assortment. They're made of really strong, nice quality plastic. I'm getting great vibes here. There are some different ways and you can look up tutorial, but a simple way is just to have it kind of tips up upside down and then boom. There you go. Look at how tight. If you get it in the right way, it's gonna hold it really tightly and be nicely displayed here. Really nice hold, not damaging your hair. So cute. Definitely a learning curve, but very simple product. Nice quality, not gonna damage your hair. No metal parts that are gonna get stuck or anything. I love all the different styles they come in. I love that they come with 3 sizes and 4 colors, just such a great variety. Whether you just wanna clip some hair back out of your face or you wanna go fancy with a French twist or something, sky's the limit with these clips.